0 Mike Bravo, contact Oakland Center 125.85, descend and maintain 10,000.
125.85, 10,000, 0 Mike Bravo. Approach, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, 11,600, descending 10,000.
150 Mike Bravo, Oakland Center, fly heading 330, descend and maintain 9,000, Napa, altimeter 3026, information, Golf, current.
3026, heading 330, descend and maintain 900,000, 0 Mike Bravo, we'll come back to you with Golf.
3026, 900,000, 330.
News, landing and departing runway 100 left and right.
0 Mike Bravo, contact Oakland Center 127.8, advised, when you have Golf.
1278, will advise, 0 Mike Bravo.
Within 30,000 pounds, flash ground up enable. Runway 6 reels on service full. Happy's out of service. Positive contact, you have information, Golf. Napa confirmation, Golf. 2154 Zulu, wind 1809er, visibility 10, view clouds at 10,000,
Airport in sight.
temperature 17, 2.13, altimeter 3026, visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 1.
7 Alpha Mike, flighting 360, descend and maintain 3,000. 360, descend and maintain 3,000, 7 Alpha Mike. November 11 Charlie Whiskey, contact NorCal approach 120.9er.
120.9er, 1 Charlie Whiskey.
Approach, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, 10,300, descending 900,000, heading 330, information, Golf, airport in sight.
150 Mike Bravo, Oakland Center, descend and maintain 5,000.
5,000, 0 Mike Bravo.
5,000.
10,000, checklist. Speed's good. R belts.
Deadlift.
Air belts.
7 Alpha Mike, Napa 1 o'clock, 10 miles, give it in sight.
We're looking, sir.
Speed, altitude checks. You confirm.
Wingspan 10, correct Oakland.
Correct Oakland, wingspan 10. Oakland afternoon, Midwest 381, 1,200, climbing 8,000.
AP on.
Midwest 381, Oakland Center, radar contact, mile south, Santa Rosa. 150 Mike Bravo, flighting 360.
360, 0 Mike Bravo.
360.
For 7 Alpha Mike, Napa is now 1 o'clock, 7 miles.
Yeah, we're still looking. We've got a few clouds in the way. Just give us a few seconds. We've got field sight 7 Alpha Mike.
7 Alpha Mike, cleared visual approach, runway 19 right, contact tower 118.7.
Clear for the visual 19 right, going to tower 7 Alpha Mike.
Midwest 381, climb and maintain, actually turn left heading at 090, climb and maintain followable 190.
Left 090 up to 190, Midwest 381.
Zero Mike Bravo, speed 210 or less sequence.
210 or less, 0 Mike Bravo.
210, slowing down.
Okay.
Oakland Center, Cirrus 552 Papa Golf with you at
I'm going to give you the visual because the RNAV is
552 Papa
offset.
Golf, Oakland Center, Santa Rosa, altimeter 3026.
Yeah, for a good reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can leave. You can do the RNAV.
For 0 Mike Bravo, cleared visual approach, runway 19 right.
Clear visual approach, 1 and a right, 0 Mike Bravo.
0 Mike Bravo, traffic gear falling 12 to 1 o'clock, 6 miles, it's citation on the downwind still 2,800, contact Napa Tower 118.7.
Looking for the traffic tower, 18.7, 0 Mike Bravo, thanks.
All right.
Popping the bleeds.
Roger.
See the traffic?
Not yet.
Okay. What are we, 5 miles? Yeah. Napa Tower, Challenger 150, Mike Bravo is 5 to the southwest, 6,000 descending, 5,000 for the visual, 1 on the right.
Station 7 Alpha Mike base, your discretion, runway 19 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 19 right, base at our discretion, 7
Wings
Alpha
are
Mike.
slow, 10,000.
Pitch 864, 19 right, clear for takeoff.
19 right, clear for takeoff, pitch at 864.
Challenger 0 Mike Bravo, right traffic 19 right, number 2 to follow citation, 4 miles north of you, about to turn base.
Alright, number 2, right base for, right traffic for 1 on the right, 0 Mike Bravo.
Alright, flaps 10.
Flaps 10. Probably this guy.
Yeah.
Where is he?
And flaps 20.
Flaps 20. Traffic in sight. 1 o'clock low. White.
In sight.
Challenger 0 Mike Bravo, traffic follows 1 o'clock, 3 miles, right base, 1,700 citation.
Traffic inside, 0 Mike Bravo. And we're parking Atlantic.
0 Mike Bravo, roger, number 2, runway 19 right, clear to land.
Number 2, 1 on the right, clear to land, 0 Mike Bravo.
Pitch at 864,
Number 2,
contact Barstow.
inside, clear to land 19 right.
864, see you.
Alright, I'm disengaging autopilot.
Okay. Light director off.
Oh, that's fine. You can get arm nav. Okay, use a B-mods.
Yeah, you can turn. You see him just over the ridge?
Yep. Okay, gear down.
Gear coming down. LNAV green. And VPAF green. Gear down, 3 greens.
3 green, confirmed, flaps full.
Flaps full, before landing checklist, gear down, 3 greens.
Bug VREF for me.
VREF bugged. Gear down, 3 greens.
I see 3
Flaps 30.
flaps 30.
Landing clearance we do have, and lights are all on.
Citation 7 Alpha Mike, turn left hotel, contact ground, see ya.
We'll see you on the ground, we'll see you. Hello, ground 637 Alpha Mike. We're just clearing the active 19 right for Atlantic Aviation.
7 Alpha Mike, you're still on tower, ground point 7.
Sorry.
Alright. creeping on center line.
Napa Tower, Cessna, Southward Tree, Tango Hotel, ready, 19 left, request left downward departure.
Cessna 7432 Hotel, Napa Tower, make left cross, 119 left, clear for takeoff.
Left crossing, 19 left, clear for takeoff. Cessna, Southward Tree, Tango Hotel.
Napa Tower, Cessna 12452 is ready for takeoff at runway 19 right.
Crossing breath.
Remain the pattern.
30.
Cessna 12452, Napa Tower, hold short, runway 19 right.
Hold short, 19 right, Cessna 452.
Nice. Spoilers out. Reverser's green, 100 knots. 80 knots. Next taxiway to the left is Hotel.
Roger.
60 knots.
November 0 Mike Bravo, turn left hotel, contact ground, see ya.
Left Hotel, switching ground, 0 Mike Bravo.
Reverse idle.
Okay.
Left hotel.
For landing, probes, flaps. Palm 2.
Palm 2.
Napa ground, Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, vacating 1 right left on Hotel to Atlantic.
Challenger 150 Mike Bravo, Napa ground, taxi to landing via Hotel Charlie Alpha 2.
Hotel Charlie Alpha 2, 0 Mike Bravo.
Hotel Charlie Alpha 2. Okay. And after land checks.
Okay. Probes are off, anti-ice is off, flaps are up, and lights are set after landing complete.
Roger. Next left on Charlie.
Yes.
Then straight to Alpha 2.
Yes. Right side's clear.
Roger. Turning left. That follow me is for us.
Yeah, looks like it.
Okay, crossing Alpha, straight to Alpha 2.
Okay, right side's clear.
Left is clear.
Alright, you're gonna park right past that NetJets citation right next to the car. And taxi lights off.
Roger. Right looks good.
Yes.
Left looks good.
That looks good.
Hey, parking brake, steering ties, gust lock, engines.